So here's SCCU Plus app. So how to install it. So here's the app. It's a free, safe, and secure way to access your accounts on the go. It's easy to do banking 24/7, right from your mobile device. Just enroll in SCCU Mobile. So SCCU Mobile app allows you to deposit a check, live chat for help on the go, alerts to monitor your accounts, log in using your Face ID or Touch ID, check balances and account history, bill pay, transfer funds, person-to-person payments, locate bunches and ATMs. So yeah, there's just additional mobile app. It's good they just released it and you can easily install it. Yeah, so finally it was released. A lot of more banks now are just releasing their own apps, and that's just where you have it, and just installing it. Oh, it's quite a large app, so it's like 300 megabytes size. And then you can just open it up. And then, yeah, you just have it here. And then you can also go and sign up from here. It's only available in US. Yeah, so yeah, that's just what you can see. So there you have it.